Hi, I'm Jason and welcome to Dosatron University. Today we will review how to perform routine service on your Dosatron D14MZ10 14 GPM injector. This information pertains to units with 5/8 inch and 3/4 inch hose. Before we start, make sure the Dosatron unit is clicking. If not, please watch the D14MZ10 14 GPM troubleshooting video. To service your Dosatron D14MZ10, you will need the seal kit and a small flat blade screwdriver. It is best to perform this maintenance in a clean area, or if your Dosatron unit is in line, cover your concentrate tank so you won't lose any parts. To begin, disconnect the suction hose by unscrewing the nut or hose clamp and remove the suction hose. Set them aside. Unscrew the injection stem nut and pull the injection stem straight out from the body of the injector. Set the unit aside. Unscrew and remove the check valve nut. Grab the barb and pull the check valve assembly straight out. Discard the old check valve assembly. Unscrew and remove the lock nut. Then remove the C-clamp by spreading the opening and sliding it down over the threads. Unscrew and remove the adjusting nut. Slide the injection stem nut down and off of the black sleeve. Push the white injection stem up and out of the black sleeve. Remove the injection stem O-ring by pinching and rolling it off of the white stem. Install the new O-ring in the groove on the stem. Then remove the injection sleeve O-ring by pinching it and rolling it off of the black sleeve. Install the new O-ring in the groove on the sleeve. Next, align the groove in the white stem with the tooth inside the lower portion of the black sleeve and slide the stem down as far as possible. Then slide the injection stem nut onto the black sleeve. Thread the adjusting nut back onto the black sleeve and set it around 5% or 1 to 20. This will ensure that you have enough threads for the next step. Replace the C-clamp by sliding it over the threads at the bottom of the white stem. Rotate the clamp until it clicks into place and then thread on the lock nut hand tight. You can now install the new check valve assembly into the stem and reinstall the check valve nut. Set the stem aside and pick up the unit. Twist the plunger a quarter turn counterclockwise to disconnect. Set the unit aside. Using a small flat blade screwdriver, carefully remove the plunger seal by rolling it out of the groove. Install the new plunger seal into the groove on the plunger. Reconnect the plunger by aligning the top of the plunger with the retainer and twist it a quarter turn clockwise to lock. To finish up, align the notches in the lower part of the blue body with the teeth on the top of the injection stem assembly. Then reinstall the injection stem nut hand tight. Set the unit aside. Before installing the suction hose, inspect it. If it flares out, cut an inch or so off and reinstall. Or if the suction hose is cracked, rigid, or looks really old, just replace. Now, thread the suction hose nut or clamp onto the hose. Slide the hose onto the barb and hand tighten the nut or the clamp. Make sure to set the Dosatron to your desired setting. We hope this video has been helpful in servicing your Dosatron D14MZ10 14 GPM injector. For more information, give us a call at 800-523-8499 or visit us online at dosatronusa.com. To see our other videos, check out our YouTube channel or see the video page on our website. I'm Jason Maddox. This is Dosatron University. Thanks for watching.